I am a strong advocate for integrating mandatory community service and fundraising initiatives into the school curriculum. Engaging in events like a charity 5K or a local bake sale provides students with a profound sense of civic duty that simply cannot be replicated through textbooks alone. Firstly, these activities cultivate empathy and awareness of broader social issues, encouraging students to look beyond their personal bubbles and understand the challenges faced by others in their community. Secondly, the logistical demands of organizing such events, managing budgets, coordinating volunteers, and marketing to the public, provide invaluable real-world experience in project management and leadership. While some argue that mandated volunteering is a contradiction, I believe that early exposure is the most effective way to foster a lifelong habit of philanthropy. When students are required to step outside their comfort zones, they often discover passions and strengths they didn't know they possessed. Ultimately, by making these events a standard part of the educational experience, we are not just raising students, but conscientious citizens who are equipped and motivated to contribute meaningfully to society's progress. This proactive approach ensures that the next generation remains connected, compassionate, and community-oriented.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the co-founder and tutor at TestPass Online School. I am a certified CELPIP instructor and have already trained more than 100 students to help them reach their target scores. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to push forward with your preparation. If you're ready to take the next step, head over to our website, testpass.ca, and book a free 30-minute consultation. During our call, I'll help you figure out your specific goals and create a plan for our classes. Plus, when you start studying with me, you can save over $300 on your prep journey. Let's begin this journey of improvement and practice together so you can pass the CELPIP at whatever level you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.